Are you suffer from dry eyes? Then let's start by taking care of those tired eyes. First, gently close your eyes and cover them with your palms. Feel the warmth and darkness soothing your tired eyes. Next, open your eyes and focus on an object in the distance. Hold your gaze for a few seconds, then blink slowly. Now, let's try the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look away from your screen and focus on something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. Remember to blink frequently while working or using screens. Blinking helps to keep your eyes moisturized and reduces strain. Take short breaks and perform eye exercises. Look up, down, left, and right. Repeat this exercise a few times to relax your eye muscles. To reduce eye strain, adjust the brightness and contrast of your screen. Find the settings that are comfortable for your eyes. Lastly, don't forget to give your eyes regular breaks. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to relax your mind and body. Save this video for later and share it to your friend and family to help them. Follow us for more eye health tips.